I'm going to do a lesson on History Eraser by Courtney Barnett. And this is like the verse. There's a guy on YouTube, he's got a nice lesson on how to play acoustic. Because I think there's only 4 chords. Chords in this are G, C, D, and A. So it's a nice song you can play in open position. He shows how to play it on an acoustic. So I'm going to show you more how to play it like similar to the record. Scratch. Or like maybe Smells Like Teen Spirit kind of, you know, rhythm guitar. It's just A, C, A, C. Alright, but you can play it with power chords too. Just I'm just playing the D, the A, and the D with one finger. Some people play it like this. This is fine. But I like to play it like this because what that allows me to do is then get these A shapes. See, I can play on this fret. This is A, just playing the D and A strings. That's your A chord. You're just playing part of it. And I can play the D. And then I can play the G. This is a G chord. Just strings A and D at the 5th fret. That's a G chord. Like there's that section where she's like, in my brain I rearrange. She's just going between G. I'm just gonna play the G here because I'm singing and that's hard. And then I just play a little A shape D, and then I go to A shape C. That's the chorus. And then go back to the verse. You can play it though, like. Alright, so those are like little power chord tricks. What it is basically, you know, in the G, you have a G here at the 3rd, but you also have a G here at the 5th. So when you play, you're playing the 5th on the bass and the root on the higher note. It's an inversion. It's like that's what they mean when they say inversion. It means the one note is not necessarily the lowest note. Usually it is, but when you play it like this, it's not the lowest frequency. But it's still a G. It's still a G chord. Usually have a 5 and a 1. This is an A chord. 5, 1. Okay, and then these you have the 1, 3, 5. So you can play a lot of songs like this. Jumpin' Jack Flash, you could probably play like that. why you see, you know, these guitar players, they're not moving their hand. All right. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Take care. Bye.